El Camino, day 3. On our way to Pontevedra. We are just leaving Redondela. We're looking at about 12.5 miles on El Camino.
Don't tell them. Here. Thank you. No, going to you, Pro. Georgie,
What?
let's be on the, oh, okay.
Okay, I'm just taking this here.
Okay.
What's that?
Oh, here they come. We need to let them pass us.
Yeah, that's it.
Bye.
All right, see you later.
If you only meet one black person in your life, right, it would be easy to associate anything that's different. I know. And I said, yeah. So, yeah.
Should we get a picture by the building?
Oh, actually, we should, shouldn't we?
Oh, let me get one of you and Carla. And Brandon.
These are Eli and Eli and Bobby.
It's in there somewhere.
We've been doing this for
Chicago Bulls.
5 days.
Pretty good, pretty good. We're
I'm from the Celtics.
Oh,
Green one. I bleed in Boston. Okay.
That was our second stop.
It was a few years ago in Boston.
My novio, mi novio.
yes, that's me.
Took some. She's Italian.
Oh,
Took some
okay,
Italian
very good.
because he's a.
Oh, a very little bit.
Well, but you
Just a
got the
little.
accent pretty good.
I got the accent pretty good, I think, yeah.
Pretty. So you sounded funny. Oh, I love to listen to I love to listen to the Irish too.
But yeah.
Thank God people from Chicago don't have an accent.
All right.
Flat A's.
Yeah, flat A's.
I know, I've lived in Arizona.
Did you, when you were driving, did you ever get north and west, like Montana?
I did. I went up to Montana and Utah, Wyoming.
Montana.
So you're originally from Chicago?
Yes, I was born and raised there, but after 20, you know,
Stunningly beautiful.
in my 20s.
Just pulled into Pontevedra after traveling all this way over 9.5 miles, what it seems like over 9.5 miles, and traveling through some really wooded area. We just pulled out of the woods and into the city of Pontevedra. We're on our way, see if we can find our hotel.